guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Diana here, and guess what we're doing this time? We're gonna make some New Year ideas so it makes your countdown funner. For our first project, we will be making New Year paper plate shakers. You will just need paper plates, glitter, glue, pencil or popsicle stick, and uncooked beans or rice. These noisemakers are perfect for the countdown on New Year's Eve and to have a lot of fun with them. Add some drops of glue on the plate. Add some glitter. Write 2019 on the plate. Glue the popsicle sticks with hot glue on the plate. I hope you guys are ready for New Year's Eve because these noisemakers will be really nice for New Year's Eve and they're going to be really fun. For our second idea, we will be making New Year Eve's party hats with a headband. This is a really inexpensive cost and they're really easy. Dollar Tree, it's a really nice place to go get them. So let's get started. What you'll need are any headbands you have at home, stencil, and party hats. Put the string that's on your hat. More stuff, yay! You can design your hat any way you want. Make sure to be creative. For the third one, I will be showing you how to make push party poppers. And also, I got these at Dollar Tree. The only thing you need to do to these ones are put gift ribbon and paper. And don't forget to be decorative and creative. To make your own push party poppers, you'll just need balloons, confetti. Since it's after Christmas, you might have an extra wrapping paper tube that's empty. Just cut it. Cut your balloon at the very top. Then add your balloon to the little tube. Make a knot. Now let's add our confetti. You can decorate it any way you want, but I put some stencil. Let's try it. Happy New Year! For the fourth one, I will be making New Year countdown balloons. All you need to do is just fill the balloons with confetti and pop them until midnight. You'll just need balloons. If you don't have a funnel, you can use the top of a water bottle, foil shred, and markers. Add a balloon to the top of your water bottle or funnel. I'm gonna put the confetti through my funnel. I'm gonna blow up my balloon. I'm using this blue tape and this double-sided tape. Let's pop each balloon for each hour to get to the 2019 balloon. This activity is really fun but messy. But messy equals fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, watch this video over and over again, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!